Aisa, thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, you're
So
welcome.
tell us a little bit about what you do on a day-to-day basis on the ship.
So I'm a bar server here in Siderdam. I do serve drinks. I do serve coffees. I also make coffees in the morning. And of course, I also entertain them in my lounge. So my lounge is in Pinnacle Bar. So I also help my bartender to replenish everything at the back and clean the back bar as well.
So working in the bar, you must hear all the good stories.
Oh yes, there's a lot.
Do you hear all the drama in there, or how?
Yes.
Do the passengers like open up to you?
Yes, there is some weird. There is some will touch your heart, and of course, the only story that always catch my heart is every time there's these two couples celebrating their anniversary, their weddings, and it's like every day they're courting each other. So it's like, oh, what's the secret?
I know. I've noticed that I don't know if it's a cruise ship thing or we watch the Love Boat too much. I don't know what it is, but I feel like the couples who are on board together are like all lovey-dovey.
Yes, they are. It's like creating memories together.
Yes.
That's what they always said every time they travel in Holland, America. And they will share the reason why they cruise is because they want to spend more time together, create memories, make their life happier, you know. And that's the reason why I'm always happy to go out in the floor and share the happiness that they have.
Right. Well, I was talking about this earlier. People like save up, not all their lives, but they save up to go on a cruise and to live it up and to have the time of their life. And you're a part of that adventure for them and that major, like, I mean, not everyone goes on a cruise every other week like some people do. And so you're a part of that memory and that whole thing. I mean, it must be such an honor.
Of course, we are always grateful. You know what? They work hard in many years, and then they will cruise here, and they want to spend their money here in the cruise and want to be, you know, enjoy the countries, enjoy the ports, or enjoy staying here. It's like some of them, the reason why they cruise or they stay here because they can get the more care, the love that they get instead of staying in the land.
Yeah.
And also, we are very thankful because it's like they treat us their family as well. So that's what we give back. Especially me. If I will be in a place or in a restaurant, if how I treat them in my own home, that's how I want them to be treated as well.
Right.
So it's like you're visiting my own home.
I was gonna say, this is your home.
Yes, we
So,
literally, because
yeah.
we are here for many months already.
Right.
So we stay here for 8 months. Then we just go home for 2 months or a month. Then come back again in the ship. So it's like away in a real home.
Right. So when you go home for your month or 2 months, sometimes is it difficult to get readjusted? Do you feel like I
Yes.
just want to go back to work?
Yes, it's like especially me, it's like my body is already used to work every day.
Yeah.
If I am home for maybe I sleep for whole day or 2 days, the third day I will feel bored right away. I want to
Right.
do something.
Right.
It's like I'm already eager when I will
Right.
come back. Can I have early?
Where's home for you?
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And do you have family who ever joins you on board?
No.
Oh.
But I treat everyone as my family.
I like that. I know. You know, I was saying too, I look forward to going to dinner every night. Not because I'm hungry, not because of that, like, because I want to see all the crew members that I've become friends with this week. And I was telling my husband, I hope that just because we're leaving the ship, I don't ever talk to these people again. Like, I want to know what's going on with, like, the Tinder date and this and that. And, like, did you get to see your wife finally? I want to know all that stuff. So,
As a seafarer or like a staff like us, of course, we have some time to see our families via Facebook or via WhatsApp. I even install the CCTV so I can check them all the time. So I can make sure that even though I'm not there physically, I'm still there. Even virtual, I can be a mom to them. I can still be a wife or a partner to my partner.
right. Do you have kids?
I do have kids.
How old are they?
22, 18, 13, 12, and 9. And 1 month baby, the grandchild.
Shush. What?
Yes.
I thought you were like 20.
Oh,
What is
very small
happening?
thing.
Okay,
There's
that's
a
it. I'm
secret,
getting a job
actually.
here because there's something about being on a ship. Are you
no,
kidding me?
the secret that makes you more younger, be happy every day. Be
Yeah.
grateful every day because waking up every day is a blessing.
Yeah.
Not all the people can have the job that I have. In my country, there's a lot of people don't have the job. And it's very hard to get a higher salary than we have here. So I'm always grateful, especially in Holland, America, because when I came here for the first time, I didn't know what I will do.
Yeah.
But to those people who are around me, teaching me everything, then I can say, okay, that's the reason why I am here to share all the happiness, to share all the knowledge that I learned, and share the smile that I have every day.
Yeah. How long have you worked for Holland America?
I think it's already 8 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 8
okay.
years.
God, it's just, I don't know. It's so interesting to me. Like, it's kind of one of those jobs that I would love to just like spend a week with you and
Oh,
just like
yes.
follow you around and like be your
Just
shadow.
follow
and
my
figure
voice
it
where I
out.
am.
Like,
It's like they call me Energizer Bunny. I don't know. Every time I go in the passenger area, it's like my personality change. If I am in the crew area, I'm so quiet.
Oh.
I just sit
Yeah.
there, eat, and then go back to room.
Yeah.
It's like I have a different personality if I'm with the crew or I'm with the passenger. In 8 years or in 6 contracts I have, I think, in Holland, America, it's like being with the passengers makes me more happier. Telling me all the stories, and I learn something to them as well,
Yeah.
especially in life, especially in the relationship, and also for the places, and what is their feedback regarding their stay. So I want to reach their expectation
Yeah.
above and beyond.
Yeah.
Because if I will go in a cruise, I want to be treated that way.
Yeah. What's the best advice you've ever gotten from either a passenger or a fellow crew member?
Just be happy and be grateful, because not
Yeah.
all people can see what I can see.
It's true. You know, there's a saying, I see it on TikTok a lot, that somebody out there is wishing for the day that you're having
Yes.
right now. And it's so true, isn't it? We just.
That's true. You see, I have a job. I can travel for free. I don't need to pay rent. I don't need to pay bills. I get free meals. And then I have work. I have many friends. I have a lot of mother and father on board. I have a lot of aunties and
Yes,
uncles,
yeah.
sisters and brothers. So what I will look for.
You're going to
Right.
make me cry. I
Yeah.
love you so much. I got to follow you on Instagram.
Oh yes, just follow me. I also have TikTok.
Oh, that's my favorite. Okay, definitely. So, what's it like living below deck? Like, what's your like room and everything else like down there?
Our room is okay as long as we have a nice bed to
Yeah.
rest after shift.
Right.
Also, the only bad side is if it's Rapsi and you
Oh,
are
yeah.
in the forward, of course you will feel all the motion.
Oh,
And then
yeah.
you will have a hard time to sleep. But so far, I was able to cope everything since the first contract up to now.
What's your shifts like here? Do you work like in the morning and then in the
Actually,
afternoon
both.
too? Or?
I have a morning shift. I also have a night shift. So I have a broken schedule. I start working at 6:30, and then I'll finish at afternoon like 11:30, and then I will come back 4:30 up to the restaurant will close.
Oh, okay. All right. So it's kind of nice. Like you have a lot of off time too.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. What's the best place you've been to so far? Were you on the World Cruise?
Australia.
Oh, yeah.
It
I can
really touched my
imagine.
heart. And there's a story behind that,
Oh.
because I didn't know that I have another sister. So I met her 2003 in Australia for the first time. And the hotel director, all this, the guest relation manager is there helping me. Oh, go if you want to see her, because she messaged us, me and my mom, December 2022, I think. And then she said, I'm looking for my biological mother. And we found out that she's staying in Sydney, Australia. So every time we are in Sydney, I always invite her in the ship together with my niece and my nephew. Then they always give me time to go out. Then the hotel director, Sir Colin, special mention.
Yeah.
Sir Colin, he always give me, tell me, buy them a drink in the EXC or in the Crow's Nest.
Yeah. Oh, it just seems like Holland America is so family oriented.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
That's the big difference between other ship that they, maybe, I don't know. But for me, I'm okay with Holland America already. We already feel that we are already home. We are family here.
Yeah.
So if I will choose to be in a bigger company, maybe I'll just stay here.
Right? I know. Well, even the ship size is nice.
Yeah, this
feel
this size is okay.
Right? Like you see a lot of the same people, and I see some of those ships, and I'm like, it just looks
It's
like
like
a
you don't see them
hotel.
for 1 month.
Right? I know. I don't understand it. What else? I was going to ask you something else, and I keep forgetting because I keep getting distracted by your story. So, what did you do before this?
I'm a waitress bartender in the
Oh.
Philippines in a sports bar. So this is a fast-paced
yeah.
bar. And then I've been a supervisor for a fine dining restaurant in Makati. Then before I work here or apply here, I thought that I need to have a hotel experience. So I apply in the City of Dreams in Pasay. So that's the time I start apply in all the manning agency in the Philippines, and 2 of them sent me an email and got the interview and then pass it.
I love it. What advice would you give someone who is thinking about starting this life?
Actually, they need to ready their physical and mental health. Because working here, yeah, it's good to work here, but they need to have a strong mental and physical, everything, because it's not good. I can not say it's not good, but not all the people have the strong personality like
Yeah.
me. Some of them, if they have a little problem, then they will do, I want to go home. I can't handle this one. Or they will be, have bad mood every day, and then it
Yeah.
will share to others. It's a big impact.
Yeah. What do you do for fun here on the show?
Oh, I make fun with the passengers.
Me too.
I have, every time they will come in my lounge, I will make a joke. Oh, you're stalking me again and again. But it's good. Then they will laugh. And then sometimes I sing to them, or I dance with them, or share some stories.
You're so full of life. I love it.
Yes.
Your spirit is very great.
What they call it, contagious.
Yes, yes. I love
That's
it.
why if they are there every day, before Pinakalis not busy, now it's more busier. So I think I need to change. I need to be quiet. It makes me more busy every day.
I know. Well, that's like I said. Like like last night, I wasn't even hungry, but I went because I wanted to see everyone. Like I love it here.
Actually, it's not only the stomach, but we need to feed. It's also the
Yes.
smile
Yes.
and the memories.
Right. And when you think about it, I mean, feeding someone is so personal.
Yes, it is.
So you don't want to go just anywhere. Like
Yeah.
you want to go somewhere where
It's
people
like-
care.
Every time we encounter the passenger, or we can say friends, new friends, we need to make sure, or I want to make sure that every interaction will leave a mark. Oh, I remember this person. She makes my crew so happy.
Yeah.
So it's like we want to be memorable to them as well.
Yep.
Not only their crews, but also for us.
Well, I won't forget you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna follow you on TikTok. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you are more than welcome. It's my pleasure.